Hello, Mrs. Korzeniecki here, and today I'm going to show you how to use autodraw.com. So you're going to click on the link here in the Google form, and it'll take you to AutoDraw. At first, it's going to look like this, and you'll have a choice of doing this blue Fast How-To button, and it'll give you a little tutorial, or you can click on the green Start Drawing button, and that will give you a screen like this. Okay, so the first thing that's selected here is the Auto Draw button. It's the pencil with the stars, and you can just start drawing, and you're going to draw the best you can. Don't worry if it's not perfect. When you're finished drawing, you'll see some images up here at the top show up, and you'll click on the one that you like, and then the image appears, and I want to make that a little larger. So I'm going to click on select, this plus sign here at the top, and I'm going to make it larger. So I'm going to click on one of the squares on the corner and make it larger. And then I'm going to move it down a little bit. Okay, so maybe a little tiny bit larger. That looks good. So now I'm going to go to the draw tool, which is just the pencil without the stars, and I'm going to go ahead and finish drawing my waves. Now if I just start drawing, that pencil line is pretty thin, so if I come up here to the top left corner, the brush strokes I can make thicker by dragging that tool, and I'll just go ahead and make that thicker like that, and then I'll just draw it over here and finish my wave. And then I can go to the text box, the letter T, and just type anywhere I want it to be, and type in my first and last name so that way I'll know whose it is. And then on the next line, I want you to write your class code, the first two letters of your teacher's name, dash, and the grade level. Now that's a bit large, so I'm going to go up here at the top where it has the type size, and I'm going to make it smaller. And I could change the font if I want also. Okay, I could also change the color. Maybe I want it to be black. Whatever. Okay, the fill. The fill color is going to change the colors. We're going to color things in just like a coloring book. So the sails, I might want them to be violet, maybe the sailboat itself, maybe a brown. I can make the sky, oops, a light blue. I saw somewhere there was a light blue, I thought. There we go. Okay, and then the next one is shapes. So then you'll see we have circles, squares, and triangles to choose from. I'm going to click on the circle, and I don't want my circle to be this color. I want it to be a yellow sun. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the yellow, and then I'll click on my sun and fill it in, and it's still that yellow color, which is what I want. So I'm going to color that in. And then in order to get this down here, I'm going to have to go back up to my draw tool. I'll come back to the blue of this pencil, and I'm going to make this a lot thicker so that I can fill that in pretty quickly here. And just color in the bottom just like this. And you can play around with this